So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna use the ClassDojo app. So this is a tutorial for beginners and how to use ClassDojo. So if you're asking what is ClassDojo, basically ClassDojo is a global community, more than 50 million teachers and families who come together to share kids' most important learning moments and also in school and at home. So basically through photos, videos and more, they can share things and moments there. So basically their equal learning opportunities and best learning experiences will be available to everyone, regardless of any place in the world. So the connection right here is ClassDojo brings school communities together with one place for teachers and families to connect, communicate, and share learning experiences. So what their team says is pretty cool. So they are really good feedback as I know and I have read. So let's get right into this. So here in ClassDojo, the ease of use is very easy to use. So it's used across a variety of platforms and such, and it works on iOS, Android, Kindle Fire, and any computer and browser. So tabs are clearly labeled, making the navigation here very easy. As you can see, there are the school, classes, and your account. And the website and the mobile app are similarly, which gives the platform great continuity for ease of use across any device that you have come across with. The translation of 35 languages also gives it increased chance of usability by the families, students, and teachers. So there are a number of tutorials available about this in their help desk in their website, so I'll just guide them through you. So here the accessibility is pretty cool since the tool is good and allows a large number of people with varying abilities to access its content. So for example, we're gonna do here is like this demo class. So here in your demo class, you can select do attendance, sort students by reset points, and do more even. There are a lot of tools you can go through here. So here you have your toolkit. So all of your favorite classroom tools are now in one place. So you can start from your phone and see it projected in front of the class. So as you can see here, there's a timer, there's a randomizer, as you can see. There's also a group maker if you don't really wanna let them group them by themselves. So there you go. There's the group meter. There's also a noise meter. So this works with your computer's microphone. So you have to log in your class from a computer and try again. So as you can see right there, you can connect multiple devices here. And you also have your directions. So here, directions, you can add the name, activity name, and then you add the item or description, then save for later, or you can start now. The next thing I'm going to show you is the think, pair, share. So this displays a question for students to discuss. So let's say you have a group activity or such. So if you want to do a new one, you can just edit it right here, or you can just choose from this. So what is something you've grown better than last week? So maybe it's a group activity that they can do together and come along. So there's also the today, which shows the date, time, and its current status. So a welcome message, a morning message, or whatever you prefer. You can also do music here since you can choose a channel to play music. So if you want to go with focus and you want to go with active, so it really depends on your mood and the topic that you are discussing. So there's also big ideas such as this positive thinking, respect, big challenges, moods, attitudes, conundrums, and growth mindset, perseverance, empathy, and mindfulness. So let's just say go with growth mindset. So here, think, pair, share. There's also other things that you can do. It's under the category of it, and you can just send it to your students. So if you wanted to add more students, you can add here. So let's just say dinosaur roar. So we have added a student right there. So the next thing we have to do is go to our class. So There's 6 students, and you can either uh, just give them a good feedback on doing their tasks, so helping others on task, participating, persistence, teamwork, and working hard, and needs work. So you can edit those skills and award them to your students. So you also have your tables right here, so you can group them by table. So let's say if you want to group another group, so let's go with group 3 right here, and then you have to type your students, which ones should be together, and then you have created one basically. So there you go, you have your group 3. So here you also have your stories, so this can be connected with 5 parents, so you can share them what you are doing in your class. So basically the students are not alone, also the parents are interacting with such features here in the application. So also there are messages in ClassDojo, so you can instantly translate any message to 35 language in case there are language barriers. There's also scheduled messaging perfect for sending reminders. So for example, their child is gonna have a class at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, so they might want to send a text at 11:30 that they should get prepared and get going to school. So you can skip the setup here, and let's get it set up too. So there you go, you can invite parents for this feature. There's also your notification tab where the notifications will be placed on. So there's also the camera tab right there where you can send pictures, document whatever's happening on your classroom. So you can also sort your students by and reset points if you want to. So this one, say you want to reset that, then now it's now reset. And then for the attendance, you can also add and mark them absent right here, or late or left early, and the attendance. So there you go guys, so that's just a demo class, and you have your school right here. So if you're a teacher using this application, you might want to get approved by your school and such. And here's your account settings. So you have your reset password, your account type, your notification, your language, and the advanced. Here the advanced, you have your delightful details, so special features for specific occasions to delight your ClassDojo user experience. Here you have the option also to delete your account if you wanted to. So if you wanted to delete your account, you can go ahead to, and there you go guys. So there's also teacher resources, it'll redirect you to their website, and as you can see here, there are a lot of tutorials if you're trying to get started as a teacher here in ClassDojo. As you can see, there's a teacher quick start guide and a back to school night presentation, family introduction letter, and other things like that. So you can also customize skills, avatars, and even customize community values. You can also integrate ClassDojo with Google Classroom if needed. So you can share the love with Dojo, such that you can download their presentation and others. You can also do co-teaching here, since there is a feature inviting co-teachers. So if you're two in the classroom, if you're teaching there, you can do that too. So there you go guys, that's just a simple tutorial on ClassDojo. I hope you like this video. If you like it, see you again next time.